UK gilts too low in their yield?
Not really. Nothing much is going to happen for a couple of years. In fact, we're calling for no change in the bank rate until beyond the end of next year. Now, the reality for the Bank of England is that they have to also factor in that the data may not be so fantastic.
Yeah.
We've already spoken about global disinflation trends since about March of this year, so that's an externality. It's about commodity prices, really. But also locally, there's consumer lending. Think about credit cards and mortgages. Yep. The data is rolling over. It's been going down for a while. Yeah. So we may have gone past the point when the data was worrying the Bank of England. I wonder what those three voters were thinking, but it could be financial stability related. So
it could be financial stability, and that's certainly a reasonable argument. There's another argument that says as well they're trying to push the pound up because that would maybe deal with the inflation.
Well, the pound's fine, isn't it? It's been holding in. Recently, at least.
Or trying to put a prop under the pound, at least.
Yeah, but there are many other things that will drive the pound that are beyond the Bank of England's control. So the pound could fall dramatically depending on what happens.
You think they're wrong?
Well, I don't think there's anything wrong with the gilt price as it is. Now, there are people out there calling for 2% gilt yields. I'd love to see 2% because the older I get, the more I need to save. And it's the same for all of us. Now, the fact is there is more money around than ever before. There's too much money chasing too little yield. I don't see how we get up very quickly, at least, towards 2%. So with the bank on hold for a long time and the data perhaps rolling over, I'm struggling to see what the impetus is for higher gilt yields. And one doesn't seem too far away from a reasonable level. So I think we could stay around 1% for the 10-year for the next few months. And people will even start extending on the curve beyond the 10-year if they think there is a chance that the bank hikes. Yep. Because that will really just roll the economy over.